right, here we are on a beautiful Boise, Idaho day. A little bit breezy today. Walk around and tell you about a really neat one here. This was a really fun truck because I've done several trucks just like this for this gentleman over the years, and every one of them special. He spent several years in the trucking industry and the body shop industry, and in his retirement years he spends hundreds if not thousands of hours on these trucks he builds. It's a 1966 Ford F-700. It's had some modifications to the chassis. They add the bed on the back there, but we're going to walk around and tell you about it. It's very nicely done. Up front here, it's finished in its factory color. It was a special order color. This truck was actually utilized as a pump truck to clean out car wash tanks up in Michigan for several years, and then it has less than 9,000 miles on the engine and powertrain. Absolutely zero rust-free truck. We've got some aircraft going over today before the restoration, but it's a body off restoration. Underneath the hood here is a 330 cubic inch truck engine, the original truck engine to it, an FE, Ford FE. It has a new process 4-speed transmission in it. It was parked in 1974 indoors, and it remained there up until about 2016 or so. The interior paint is actually original in the truck, but total cab body off restoration, transformation of the bed and chassis under it. They utilized a 1996 top kick, GMC top kick, for suspension and chassis upgrades. All this grill, this is the original grill. These are all the original lamps and markers on the light. The grill was powder coated and the bumper was powder coated up front. You'll see has the top kick front suspension in it, which is about 8,000 GVW. The rear suspension is about 17,000 GVW. Has 4-wheel disc brakes on it, power disc brake, polished aluminum 22.5 inch general tires on it. All 6 tires are the same size. These running boards have been powder coated. This is where it was sold new in Michigan, right here. Get inside here on the passenger side. This paint on the inside of this door is original to this truck. He matched the exterior with a complete refinish and then finished off the door jambs here only. The paint on the dash is original. Utilizing the factory heater here. These bellows for the heater and these heater defrost bellows are all original to this truck. The seat here is out of the top kick. Wanted to add a little bit of comfort to it. It's been recovered. This headliner is all original materials on this truck. It's got all original glass in it, including the windshield, by the way. You can see the markings here. This Knapheid bed is a 16-foot bed. It's a special order that he ordered for this truck after he extended the chassis with the top kick tail on it. You'll see a little bit of pinstriping throughout. This is all hand-done pinstriping. It is a stake pocket bed. It is also powder coated. Storage cabinet. ProTech storage cabinet that's stainless. Keep all your supplies in this cabinet here. All the LED marker lights in the back, all modern, that kind of thing. Has a polished stainless steel bumper on the back. Little step to get on the back here. These 48 50-gallon polished stainless steel tank in the back here, or on the left side here. Over here. You can see the patina and character. He wanted to leave a little bit of the original character since so much of this truck was all original. The dash itself is the original finish. These pedals are the original rubber on the pedals, gives you an idea of the miles. This is the original lightning bolt gear steering wheel on it. He's upgraded the gauges. Look at the chrome on the switches. Fitted carpet that's been trimmed out for it. There's a neat little build book there. We took photos of that. This little starts right up. Hitting in a cockpit of an airplane here with all these gauges here. Very cool. This is a GPS speedometer. Again, all right, we'll get you underneath the hood here. Very, very nice. A lot of retirement time spent. Nut and bolt body off frame style. It's the original original 9,000 mile 330 cubic inch truck engine. FE. Has a 2-barrel, Fumoco 2-barrel carburetor on it, the original. That's a governor underneath the carburetor there. All the firewall, this is all factory wiring here. Heater's fully functional, all wiring's factory original. This horn has an air tank under the driver's side of the truck. You notice he put some GM clear tape protectant there so it didn't mess up the paint. Some acorn nuts there. Coolant recovery tank there. Huge heavy-duty radiator. Runs very cool. I'll get on the spec sheet and cover that as we walk around here. Power disc brakes, all 4 wheels. Top kick brakes on the hydraulic brakes with vacuum assist. Again, this is the original engine. It's been upgraded with a Protonics distributor in it. So it's got electronic ignition, has all new clutch throwout bearing. They checked into the transmission, looked at it, all very nice, 9,000 mile rig. See all the wiring here is just amazing. Here's the original body tag here. Bottom side of the hood is finished in the retro red. I'm going to get him to fire. Undercarriage here for you. It's a little bit windy, so I'll speak out over it. We'll actually get down on a creeper and get on the backside there and cover the backside there for you. Top kick front axle, 7,500 front axle with disc brakes upgrade on it. Again, this was a 9,000 mile truck before. Driving lights, fog lights there. Powder coated bumpers, running boards. 295/75 R22.5 tires. Kind of get you up in the fenders here to get a feel. The level of time that was spent on it. Kind of do a quick pass around, then we'll get you underneath. Battery compartment there. Huge exhaust with a Dynamax muffler on it. We'll have a spec sheet at Spud's Garage. I believe that's 5-inch chrome exhaust. Storage cabinet here. See how the frame, the detail on the frame here. Again, we'll get underneath it here shortly for you. Cover a few small areas at the tail end here. General 295/75 22.5s in the rear, disc brakes in the rear, Eaton 411 in the back here. Flaps, forward fenders, polished fuel tank here. I believe it's a 50-gallon. Again, I'll have that on the spec sheet for you. 48-gallon, excuse me. This is the air tank for the air horns. New process transfer transmission. These are Stemco. They have gear oil in them. They're the type that you don't need to pack bearings. So service-free front hubs on it. There you go. Okay, we've got ourselves on a creeper here, and we're going to move forward and let you see the bottom side of this here. Bottom side of the cab corners. The level of meticulous detail here is just amazing. It's original gearbox in it. Went through all the seals, all that type of thing. The top kick front axle with the disc brakes up front. You can see the bottom side of the inside of the fenders there. Too much fun. There you go. Show you how easy it is to steer. I'm one-handed steering this truck. It returns very nice. Got my hand off the wheel. Alright, we're going to take it back to his garage. Could be going to your garage. Make sure you go to spudsgarage.com and you'll learn a lot more about this truck. Have a great day. Definitely one you can have a lot of fun with, that's for sure.